channel. So today we're gonna do like a fall makeup look. This is like what I've been doing to my face because of the fall season, and it's like a cool, very natural look, but obviously it's like a little glammed up because like hello. But let's just get right into it, right? Yeah. So I already prepped my skin, like I did my skincare, but I want to put my lashes on first before I do the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna do that off camera because it actually takes me like 25 minutes to get them on. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I put my lashes on. These are the ones that I use. They're from Amazon and I have them linked on my storefront. These are the only ones that I bought and then just kept using them because they look like extensions. They're like very fluffy too. Let's just get right into the skin. For primer, I'm going with my e.l.f. Power Grip. This is like the only primer that works for my skin. I have dry skin and I need a primer that is gonna grip my foundation and not let it fall off, but also hydrate my skin. And I really get it in there. If you're not priming your skin and wonder why your makeup is like not lasting as long as you want it to, because you're not using primer. Then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is just became like an essential to my makeup routine. Even if I do a natural makeup look without foundation, I'll still put this. When you blend it with your beauty blender, you gotta make sure that you're wetting your beauty blender. And I'm not the type of girl to like go to the sink and wet it with fucking water because like that's too much. So I just use my setting spray and I just spray it on my beauty blender and it blends in. See? But anyways guys, I have not sat down and talked to you guys in a month, and I have not posted a video in like a month, and I just been like so busy with like school and like classes and stuff, and especially because it's like midterm season. So right now it's like non-stop studying for classes and I'm like tired. Like even when it comes to my weekends, I'm just like I don't have that energy. Like I just want to be in my bed and like not do anything. So I just been busy as hell. Also been like applying for like jobs because I want a job, because I don't have a job. Like right now I'm unemployed. I have no job and I need a job. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and like this is what I use as my contour because I have yet to find a liquid contour that I like, and this is what I've been using. Like you can see it's like empty and shit. Yo, I know it looks orange, but trust the process. School has been a little better. It's been a little better, and last month my mental health is a lot better than it was last month. Why am I talking like a British? I am very happy. Like not very happy, but like I'm happy that I'm seeing progress within myself, because I did not like that I was in the same, like I had the same feeling for a while, and it was just very like annoying because when you're down, you don't want to do work, you don't want to get up, you don't want to take care of yourself. And I just push myself, and like if you guys are feeling like that, like just push yourself and like make yourself get up day by day, and trust me, it'll get better and easier as the days goes by. So I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer, and when I tell you this is the best concealer ever, I think no, I said that in my last video, but like really guys, like it is. The coverage is amazing. So just put it under my eyes like this. We're gonna put some here. Look guys, like what the fuck, so good. I'm looking at myself here by the way because I don't have a mirror, so I'm using like a little ass mirror to look at myself. Then I use my brush that I was blending my contour and just put the axis of it like that, and it's so like seamlessly because I don't like harsh lines on my skin. I want everything to look like blended, like natural almost. For blush, I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty blush. This is in the shade Joy, and it's like a peachy blush, and this is what I've been using recently because it's like it like matches my hair color better than the like bright pink, because this hair color is just like this in the dark, and then when in the sun it looks more orangey, and it's just a whole thing. So I've been using that one. Just put a little dot and then blend it out because you know the Rare Beauty blush is so pigmented. Okay, so I turn my AC on. Like in every video that I do, I have to turn it on because if I don't, you're gonna hear my whole family. But what can I do? Nothing. Like I can't do anything about it. But anyways guys, I'm using my Fit Me concealer, shade Vanilla by the way, and I just like it because it's like an extra brightener. I just put a little dot. Then I blend it with a brush. This month has just been like all over the place, but it's good because you know I've been working on myself and focusing on myself. My school, like I've been doing so good in school, it's kind of insane. I've been doing great. And it's like, I can't believe that I was doing so bad last spring semester because of distractions. And I was like, yeah, it's whatever. It's whatever. And it's really not. Like if you could do good, do good. Don't just whatever it. So look how seamlessly. So we're gonna right away go in with our setting powder. I use the One Size setting powder and I love it. I'm gonna set one side of my face so you can see the difference. Oh my god, can we talk about Bad Bunny's album though? Like, you guys a Bad Bunny fan? Because I'm a Bad Bunny AC. If you guys are a fan, I'm fucking AC. Like, as soon as it came out, I started like listening to it like over and over and over again. Like, it's been on replay. Like, I have not listened to any other song, any other music besides that album. And why? Girl, because it's Bad Bunny, bro. Like, there's a difference. But yeah, guys, I love Bad Bunny. And he just announced that he's going on tour. Like, I'm using my Too Faced bronzer. Look how it just warms my face. Period. For blush, I use my Juvia's Place blush palette in volume 4. Like, this volume is like the best one. Like, I use the light one a little bit, and I'm just dab it in like that. So we're gonna do my brows. They are pretty great. So we're just gonna clean the foundation and thing off like that. This is a clean shirt, by the way. Like, I'm not even smart. I'm using my e.l.f. brow lift. This is like what I've been using to make my eyebrows look natural and cute. Guys, this week was so fucking like a joke to me. It was a joke. Like, when I tell you this week was a joke, it was a joke. I don't know why guys think that they are smarter than us. Like, guys would genuinely like try to play you as if you were stupid, as if you don't know the game. And it's like crazy. Guys ain't shit, bruh. Because if a girl breaks up with a guy and she goes and like start talking to another dude right after, oh, she's a hoe. She's for the streets. She's not shit. If a guy does that though, oh yeah, bro, they hype him up as if like, I don't know. It's so like the standards is crazy. It's fucking crazy. Not with me. That's not gonna work with me. I am very loving and caring. I will hold it down with you, like, as long as you don't disrespect me or like lie to me or cheat on me. But once you try to play me like I'm dumb, yeah, no. But on that note, I'm just get myself a girlfriend because like so I use this NYX eye pencil for my waterline. I like it because it just opens, like pops my eye up more like that. See? Then I go with my telescopic mascara, and this mascara has been going through a lot. Like, look at this. The applicator is like perfect. Boom. For highlight, I use this. Just find a highlighter that looks like that because I don't know where this is from. I just apply it in my inner corners. Look at that glow. I would never get over this highlighter because look how pretty. Ugh. Then I'm gonna set my face with the Milani Makeup Last spray. And I have a little fan. Look how cute. And I just like, so it could dry faster. I'm so extra, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna show you guys my lip combo. This is like the best lip combo ever. I'm using the NYX lip liner, and this is the shade. I'm gonna type it because I cannot read it or pronounce it, and I don't think you guys could read it the other way. I'm gonna outline my lips. It's like such a pretty color. Oh, look at that color, guys. It's like so pretty. Oh. So then I use this Too Faced lip injection gloss. And look at the lips, guys. It's like so pretty because it's like darker than my normal lip color, but I don't have to put anything in like the middle. But yeah, this is the finishing look. It's my like little fall glam look. Like, you know, if I have to go to take pictures or something, this is what I do. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I know I didn't talk so much because like I honestly couldn't because they were being so loud. But if you guys want tea, like, I'll just do like a little girl talk video. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to comment down below and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.